Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are doing rainbow spelling with R controlled vowels. AR says R, OR says OR, ER, IR, and UR all say The first word we're going to write today is the word fort. Fort. And you're going to write fort on the top line of the first rainbow. And you're going to write it all the way until you reach the end. Ort. Please pause the video and finish writing fort. The next word we're going to write is girl. G-R-L. 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 Please pause the video and finish writing girl all the way across. Our next word is far. R. 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 A-R says R. 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 Please pause the video and finish writing far. Our next word is hurt. H-er-t. H-er. U-R says t. Hurt. H-er-t. H-er-t. Please pause the video and finish writing hurt. Our next word is her. H-er. H-er. E-R says H-er. H-er. Please pause the video and finish writing her. Our next word is shirt. Sh-er-t. Shirt. Sh-er-t. 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 Please pause the video and finish writing shirt. Our next word is pork. P-or-k. P-or-k. O-R says or. P-or-k. P-or-k. Please pause the video and finish writing pork. Our next word is turn. T-er-n. T-er-n. U-R says T-er-n. T-er-n. Pause the video and finish writing turn. Our next word is after. after. A, says A, after. Please pause the video and finish writing after. Our last word is car. R. 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 Says R. R. Please pause the video and finish writing car. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are working with ER. ER says We're going to color the words that have in them. Our first word is were. Our next word is germ. Hard. Hard. Stern. Stern. Then we have term. I see ER. Slur. So even though UR is making the same sound as ER, we're not going to color it. Our next word is serve. Serve. After. After. Her. Her. Fur. Again, UR makes the same sound as ER, but we're not going to color it. Arm. Arm. Next word, sister. Sister. Spin, read, and write. Keep your eyes peeled for those ER. ER says as in sister. ER says were. ER says germ. ER says stern. ER says after. ER says serve. ER says her. And ER says term. Then we have our word bank at the bottom. Again, our first word, her. Germ. Term. Were. After. After. Put those words in the correct word boxes. Way to go, my friends. You did great. Move on to Lexia.